Using sandwich bread to make pizza is simple and convenient, plus it's a great way to use basic ingredients you probably have in your fridge. Recently, I have learned how to shape our pizza sandwich into adorable hearts to make them extra fun and delightful. These bite-sized heart-shaped pizza are sure to be a hit with the kids. So, let's get started and bring some joy to our breakfast table and see if I succeed in making this dish or not.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Daily Bite with Anwar. Today we will be making a super easy and quick breakfast food that are perfect for morning weekend. Heart-shaped pizza sandwich. Let's go.
Here what you need: 150 grams of fresh shrimp, 3 to 5 crab sticks, half of bell pepper, a bit of green onion and cilantro, follow your preference, 4 slices of sandwich bread, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of corn kernels, mozzarella cheese as much as you like, ketchup, chili sauce, and a bit of salt and pepper. Now we chop the shrimp to small pieces and chop the crab stick into chunks. Then dice the bell pepper to small cubes. And we also chop the green onion and cilantro. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the bread to 2 triangles like this. Now it's time to shape them like a heart shape. Wish me luck. Now we gently pull both sides of the edge to the middle and make the heart shape. Then we use toothpick to secure it. Here is the tips. Use new or fresh bread, easier to shape. Look at this adorable heart-shaped bread. It's quite exciting and fun experience for me. Remember not to use old bread, as old bread is harder to shape. Just like this, on my right side is new bread, while on my left side is old bread. It's easy to get broken. Now we will mix all the ingredients: fresh shrimp, crab stick, bell pepper, green onion, cilantro, corn kernels, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a bit of salt and pepper. You can add on any topping you like, because this is just like pizza, where you can have a lot of topping. Look at this, it looks so colorful. Mix it all together until it's nicely coated. This is going to be our delicious filling. Spread a bit of ketchup over the top on our adorable heart-shaped pizza. Then scoop on our tasty filling. This will be super fun cooking experience that you can try with your kid at home. Finally, top with a generous sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. One small tip while making this: if you add too much mozzarella cheese, the cheese can melt and cause the heart shape of the bread to lose its form. However, in my opinion, the more cheese the merrier, so just let it be if you love cheese like me. In this video, I make half batch for air fryer and half batch for oven. For the oven, set it to 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And for the air fryer, 100 degrees for 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Once the cheese is melted and golden, they are ready. Here you can see, adding a lot of cheese making the heart shape lost its form a little bit. But still adorable, and as long as it's delicious, then it doesn't matter. Perfectly crispy, cheesy and full of flavor. This looks so good. The combination of fresh shrimp, crab stick and bell pepper with that gooey mozzarella. You got to make this at home.
Wow, look at this adorable and delicious heart-shaped pizza sandwich. Let's give it a try. This is so good. It's very cheesy. Everything, all the ingredients mixed together, very nice with the mozzarella cheese. You should try this at home. Very delicious. I love to make this lazy pizza because it is easy to make at home and delicious too. Very delicious. Thank you for joining me today in making this heart-shaped pizza sandwich together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out all the fun and the new recipe. If you have any question or comment or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.